Instead of calling the call center, you can use this method. It's quick, it's fast. All you need is another phone. So let me think your phone is blocked and it's asking for PUK. You just have to dial star 100 hash and then okay or yes, depending on the phone that you have. Then you select number 10. Here we go. Okay. It will give you a different menu. Then you select number 2 for PUK. Now, this is the part where you have to enter the different number, the number that is asking for the PUK. So, in this case, I'm going to use this one that has been blocked to get my PUK. Okay. Voila, there you go. So, it gives you the PUK1. This, you enter in the section where it's asking for PUK1. Then after that, it will ask for the PIN. The PIN, in this case, is the default PIN. You'll enter the 4 zeros that are shown on the screen. And then it will ask for the PIN again, and then you put the 0 4 times again. Thank you very much. Easy peasy.
Airtel, a reason to imagine.